All right, there's different ways to do number 4, but I was going to show you an idea I had because we don't all have super convenient ones to work with. And I'm going to write down the problem and then kind of move this thing around. Equals 9 divided by 8 plus x minus 9 divided by 6. Okay? And I'm going to go full screen on this one. So, like, yeah, you could do, there's a variety of ways to do this. You could do a common denominator. I hope I'm not doing more damage than good. Let me tell you what I see. What I see is that I've got these two here. They're not on the same side, but I know that I could easily get this one to look like this one, right? Everybody else has an example where if you multiply this one by 2, you'll get that one. Here's what I would do. I would first move this piece over here with this one. Okay, now, I don't know if this is the most efficient way, bless you, but I thought this might be a way that we could do this. So x plus 2 divided by 16 minus 9/8 equals x minus 9 divided by 6. And I'll pause there for a moment. Okay, do something a little different here. I did not teach this in the notes, so that's another reason I was doing this. Just try to show y'all some different ways to do this. And I'm going to get a common denominator on the left side. So how do I get a common denominator here? I just multiply this piece by 2. And I think everybody has this multiplied by 2 would give you that one. So you multiply the top by 2 as well. So x plus 2 divided by 16 minus 18 divided by 16. And I'm going to pause here, right here. Okay. So I got common denominator here on the one side. I didn't mess with all of them, which you could do all of them. Like I did all of them in the notes, but there wasn't like an easy number. Yeah. Okay. You see I have a common denominator here, so I could combine those. So 2 minus 18 is negative 16. Check these customers. Okay. Now, this is another strategy you could solve an equation, okay? I've got a fraction equal to a fraction. Do you know what I can do when I have a fraction equal to a fraction? What can I do when I have a fraction equal to a fraction? Cross multiply. Shout out to 6th grade math. So I can cross multiply. Okay. So that's another strategy. Cross multiplying. That was one of the strategies I taught last year. So cross multiplying. I think this is the easiest one, but it might not be. What's easier for me might not be what's easiest for you. That's fine. So I distribute 6 times 16, 96. 16x minus 16 times 9, 44. Okay. Now what could I do? Subtract 6x, subtract 6x, then add 144. I think you get a fraction on this. One of these you do. Might even be both. I know 4. So divide by 10, divide by 10, 4.8. Okay, 6x. move over. No. Or a fraction. So I gotta make that fraction. So math enter. 4.8 math enter. That'd be 24/5. You need to do it as a fraction. My bad. I don't know if they're gonna take. Hopefully I did that right. Yes. Yes. Just a moment. Oh no, sorry. Okay. I was trying to get this. I'll look at 5 next, and I'll look at 10, and I'll look at 13. Sorry, I was trying to. I was trying to pause this video. Riveting video here. All right, we good? Okay, let's go 5. 5 was kind of given fits last hour. We have x plus 3 divided by 4 equals 2 minus x plus 3 divided by 7. And here's the thing. I know this is stressful for some of y'all. It can be stressful for me. There's a lot of right ways to do this. There's a lot of right ways to do this. So that's the thing. It's kind of stressful because you could do the strategy we did in the notes. That's good. I could try to make it a fraction equal a fraction and cross multiply. That would be good. Okay, we even talked about multiplying everything by the denominator. So I want y'all to kind of tell me what y'all like in doing this. I mean, if you want to be consistent with the notes, we can do that. I wasn't very consistent with the notes, but as Kaylee was saying, I was stressed out because I couldn't find a nice number that fit those. Like, it's a little easier here to find a number like 28. Like, we couldn't find a really nice number on this last one that fits all those three. That's, I mean, a smaller number. Do y'all want to do it like I did in the notes? Y'all want to do it like I... Okay, so the notes, we picked a number that these two both fit into, which is what? Maybe 28. You'll have different numbers than me, so be careful. So 4 times what gives you 28? 7. So you got to multiply the top and bottom by 7. I should have probably wrote this down again somewhere else. Let me move this. If somebody's reading this, they're 5. That's 5's going to get in their way. So 7. This is like 2 divided by 1. So this one needs 28. And that needs 28. And then this needs 4. So you got to kind of figure out what works for you. This is a little stressful over here too. This is stressful. Okay. Okay. All right. So distribute 7x plus 21 divided by 28. 56 divided by 28 minus. This part got people last hour too. There's a lot of little ways you can get off track on this one. The problem is here, because here I'm subtracting 4x and I'm subtracting 12. So I'm subtracting 4x and I'm subtracting this whole quantity. So that's the problem there. So it'll be like 56 minus 12 be 44 minus 4x. So you're subtracting 4x and 12 because you're subtracting the whole quantity. Bless you. Okay, so that gets you that. I think you might get a fractional answer again. Okay. So you have a fraction equal to a fraction with the same denominator, so you can cancel them. And then you can add 4x 11x. Oh, that's ugly. It's gonna be ugly. I got 23 11ths. You'll get something ugly. Now I'm a little stressed putting that in there. Ah, don't do this to me. Just a moment. I'm gonna see if I did it right. If not, I probably need to find a new teacher. Just a moment. Good job. Man, 2 fractional ones in a row. I'll look at 10 and 13 next. What's up? Yeah, just divide by QR, yeah. All right, look at 10. 10's like your 10 was like your notes here. You'll have one like this in the test, but it won't be bad. We'll do this enough where you'll get it. It's 1 divided by u. We're solving it for you. So my advice on this one, it's what you're trying to solve for is already over here. I would just try to clean this junk up. Is that an A or N? N. I would just try to clean this junk up and leave that alone because it's by itself. The variable you're trying to get is right there. Just clean this up. What's a comment on there that G and N can have? G and good. What does this one need? N. What does this one need? G. And we're not going to mess with that. So N divided by NG plus G divided by NG. N plus G divided by NG. And I'll pause there. Okay. So I could have done that step from there to there if you want. I was trying to be methodical, but what's the trick I can use here? I'm trying to solve for u, and I got 1 divided by u. Flip it. So I can flip that. Flip that. So NG divided by N plus G equals U. So NG plus G. Excellent. I'll look at 13 last. I was going to look at 13 real quick. Merry Christmas. I'll do this quickly and I'll stop here. I'll let you have time. All right, what do I do first when I'm solving for absolute value? What do I do? Get the bars by themselves, right? So I subtract 7, subtract 7. The absolute value of x plus 4 is equal to negative 2. So when is my distance from 0, absolute value, equal to negative 2? Hayden. Oh, Hayden knows. You might need somebody else. When's my distance from 0 equal to negative? Hannah? Oh, you are stressing me out. Emiliano? When's your distance from 0 equal to negative? Never. So what's the answer going to be here? No solution. It's the empty set one. What do they say? Solution set's the empty set. So the solution set is the empty set. So empty set means there's no solutions. Empty. All right, I will